Hello beautiful jewels and gems, and welcome to this edition of askchauntel. So today I've got a Nadine West unboxing for you, and I'm so excited to share it. She sends clothes to me to share with you right to my doorstep, and I think you should totally check out this unboxing. I'm going to show you the clothes, show you what's in here, tell you a little bit about what I think about it as a try on for you at the end, and I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask CHAUNTEL.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So a little bit about Nadine West for those of you who are new and don't know a lot about her. She is an affordable clothing subscription service for women, and it's really cool because you go on nadinewest.com, fill out a style profile, kind of give an idea of like what you like, what you don't like. You kind of giving them a little bit of information about like what your personal style is. They even ask you questions like what are your problem areas, things like that. And then you get a cool pink package, and anything you don't like, you just send it back. You pay $9 for shipping, and that is included for it comes to you. And then whatever you don't want, shipping labels in there, just send it back. If you do like things, then that $9 gets applied to what you do decide to purchase and keep. And I have a lot of luck with these things. Every now and then I get something I don't like, so I'll definitely be honest with you as I share with you what I got, and I love to hear what your thoughts are. So let's get into it. All right, so usually you will see right there a little Nadine West sticker, and the outfits are usually packaged together. And one thing that I noticed is that sometimes you'll get different pieces that go well together. It may not all be in that same package, but you might be able to pair what you got last week or last month to what you're gonna get this week. So you can either get packages sent to you every couple weeks, or you can get it sent to you once a month, whatever your preference is, okay? So let's check this out. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. You guys, I love scarves, so I'm super excited. So it's floral print, very spring. Gotta get close, there you go. See that springy design? I love it, I love it. It's white, it's simple, but it's got some flowers. And I love jewelry, and so I'll just kind of put that to the side, and I'll try those on for you guys in a minute. And wow, oh my gosh, I'm already in love because this lace is sexy, but modest at the same time. It matches my lipstick perfectly, right? So it's a blouse. It's a blouse. And so it looks like a tunic. Okay, so that came together. And then there's more in here. You guys, this really worked out for me because after I had the girls, like my whole body changed, and I just didn't have a lot of clothes that fit me well. I ended up giving away a lot of clothes that I just no longer could wear anymore. And so it's really exciting to be able to get this. And then you don't have to worry about shopping online. You don't have to worry about can you fit it, because you just try it on in your house. If you don't like it, you send it back, and you know, it's very convenient. So here's the next one. So I'm gonna open this one up and see what's in here. It's blue. Like a slate blue. Oh, you know what? This dress I have in purple, and it's just a very comfortable material. I can already tell you I am not in the cool tone, so I don't know if this blue works on me. I think the red hair that I got right now might help out, but we'll see. I'm in the warm tones, so whenever I get cool colors, I have to be kind of careful with it. I do wear some blues, but we're gonna see how that actually works on my skin tone. But that's the cool thing, is like something that you might not have thought to pick out or to wear, you might end up really liking. So, okay, this is like a black blouse, and I like the little details. Nadine West has always little details, maybe like something simple, but there's details added. And so this one has like lace on the bottom, and it's like a 3/4 length sleeve, and it's black, so you can't go wrong with black. Now, I don't wear black a lot, but I do like black because it really can make you look sophisticated and grown up and fancy and put together, even when you really not put together, you know. And then it came with some joggers, so it's really cool because you can hide all of this and only see the bottom while you working from home looking like you got it together. That's what I like about that. I'll put together a work from home outfit video with like a lot of my Nadine West, because she has sent me a lot of like work from home, I think worthy clothes that you could definitely, you know, put together and look like you got it together. So if you wanted to go live or something, you could still be cute. I'm just saying. We all spending way too much time on right now, so y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, anyways, they're joggers, and actually I was wearing some from the Yummy Jogger line from CHAUNTEL. Here, let me show y'all. That's what's a Yummy Jogger, super soft, super comfy, super cozy, and all those things are true because I was wearing some of these this week, and the ones that I had on were like pinstripes, so they looked a little bit more dressy, but they still have this same really soft, cozy feel to them. And one thing that really bothers me is leggings that like are like tights and they just feel like they're all itchy on your skin. And we'll try these on and see, but the other ones that I have like this, that I tried them out, girl, I didn't have those problems. So that's exciting. So we're gonna go try these on, but first we're gonna try on these little earrings right here so I can show you guys what they look like. Okay, so aren't those so cute? I like the little circles. My husband always talks about giving me circles because he says I'm bubbly, so I'm like, okay. Whenever I see circles in jewelry, I think about him. Actually, my wedding ring has like circles. Can't fit anymore. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's why you need new stuff. I gotta get that upgraded. It's gonna happen soon. Anyways, we're gonna go try on these clothes. We'll be right back. So I love this maroon top on just as much as I did off. I love the lace detail. I wouldn't pair it with these joggers. I loved the joggers though, let me just say. I would pair this maroon top with something a little bit more like a pencil skirt or something that is more tailored to the body. Okay, the joggers were amazing. They were so comfortable. I actually did wear these out, and let me tell you, they were the best. We went on a walk and it was great. So I would recommend both pieces, not necessarily together, but I would definitely wear them. I love that there were pockets in these joggers. Great for your phone or for whatever you need it for. I mean, let's face it, it's hard to get around, you know, your keys. You have enough with trying to hold on to your babies if you have them. So it's nice to have things with pockets. So here was a scarf. I really thought this scarf was so pretty. I probably would pair it with something a little bit lighter, like maybe like a mauve colored top, and I have gotten some of those actually in my last unboxing, I think, or last couple. I have a top that I think this scarf would be absolutely stunning with, and I actually have a scarf that I think matches really well with this top. Anyway, so you can mix and match. I kind of played with it a little bit, kind of showing you some different ways you can kind of work the scarf, and yeah, just have fun with it. When it's more cozy, you know, you get to this infinity scarf type of a look. I didn't like it on as much as I did off. I like the style of this top, but it's definitely looking a little matronly on me, I will say. I enjoy the fact that we've got the 3/4 length sleeves. I like the lace, but it's just too big on my body. I don't need something so baggy. It just, I mean, I could probably add a belt, but I really don't think it's doing much for me. It's just too big. I need something more tailored. What do you guys think? Same thing with this dress. I didn't like the color for me. I think some people look great in this color, but the slate blue is just not a Chantel color. It's just not. I'm warm tone, which means my undertones in my skin are more warm colors. Red, oranges look great on me. You know, deep and bright colors, not kind of cold tone colors. So if you have kind of like pale skin, even like pink undertones, this would be cute on you. And the other thing I really didn't like about it was it just was too baggy for me. So all the prices for all the items will be for you on askchauntel.com. A link is in the description box below. And I would love to know what your thoughts were. Was your favorite outfit? Was your least favorite outfit? Could you see yourself wearing any of these clothes? I'd like to know. And also, if you would like to subscribe to Nadine West and get you a cute pink package with all kind of goodies to your doorstep, your personal style, then definitely check out the affiliate link in the description box below. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use it, but it does help me and my fam out when you do try it out. And I think this is a really fun and affordable clothing subscription service to try. And it's just fun to just try on new things and have some, it feels special to have somebody else pick something out for you that they think you might like, that you might, you know, love, make you feel good. And so I think it's fun to just be a part of this. So definitely check out the link in the description box below and check out the prices on askchauntel.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. And if you like this video, I have a ton more Nadine West unboxings. Maybe you want to see some more clothes that I've tried on and see me dancing around, then definitely check out the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.